Hey guys, today I am gonna show you how to replace the battery on a 3rd gen Durango. Let's get started. Things you will need for this job: a 10mm socket, or 13mm socket, a ratchet, a long extension. So the battery is right underneath the passenger seat. So all you gotta do is push the passenger seat all the way forward and all the way up. Go back to the back seat, and it's underneath here. There's 2 clips holding this panel over here, and there's 2 clips in the front of this panel. All you gotta do is just lift it up. First you gotta take down the negative terminal here, held with a 10mm bolt right there, and there's another 10mm bolt holding the positive terminal. There's 2 13mm bolts holding the battery bracket. You take those 2 bolts out, take the bracket out. After you take those 2 out, you got to take this the vent tube. All you got to do is just wiggle it out and make sure you put it aside, and the battery slides in between this opening. Hope you enjoy this video, and if it's helpful, give me a thumbs up.